Good day everyone mga kapongers, mga kakoler. Today is the day 33 of our daily message. Today, I would like to take a moment to recognize and support our junior national team who currently competing in the Southeast Asian Youth Table Tennis Championship 2026 in Singapore. To all our junior national team, you are not just playing for yourself. You are playing for our country, the Philippines. Every serve, every rally, every point, dala ninyo ang bandera ng ating bansa. We know that the competition is tough. Ibang bansa ang kalaban, ibang pressure. But remember this, you are prepared, you are trained, and you deserve to be there. And that brings me to today's message. Play with heart, Lucky. Hindi lang skills ang laban dito. Puso, tapang, at importante ang disiplina. Because when you play with heart, hindi ka basta-basta sumusuko. Hindi ka natatakot. Lumalaban ka hanggang dulo. So to our young athletes there, always trust your training, trust your coaches, and trust yourself. And most importantly, enjoy your moment. Because this is your stage. Whenever na nandyan ka sa court, this is your stage. This is your opportunity. And this is your time. Kaya kayo, we are very proud of you. Especially to our junior national team, the whole Philippines is behind you. And always remember, you are stronger than you think. And if you believe in this message, mga kapaters, please help me share this to support our young athletes representing our country right now. This is Coach Ting again, and this is the day 33 of our daily message. See you again tomorrow from the world of table tennis. Bye!